Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a gorgeous carousel effect animation using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make those stunning, seamless sliding carousels you've seen on Instagram and other platforms, all in Canva with zero design experience required. Let's dive right in together. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already, just head over to Canva.com and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, click that purple Create a Design button. You'll see a whole menu pop up for this project. Choose Presentation. I find this canvas size to be just perfect for animations, giving you enough space to work comfortably but not so much that things get overwhelming. Now here, where we start building our carousel visuals. On the left side, you'll see the Elements tab. Click into it and scroll down until you find the Frames section. These frames will act like windows or placeholders for your images. Think of them as little picture frames hanging side by side on a wall. Click on a frame to add it to your slide, and now let's make more. With the frame selected, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Do this until you have 5 frames in total lined up on your canvas. If they're a little messy or uneven, don't worry. You can drag and snap them into a neat row. That visual balance will really make your final carousel look professional. Next, we get to fill up these frames with beautiful images. Head back to the Elements tab and in the search bar type flowers. Of course, you can search for anything you like, but flowers work wonderfully for demos because of their color and variety. Select 5 images you like, just drag each one into its frame. If you make a mistake or change your mind, you can simply drag a new image right on top and it'll swap out automatically. Now, once you're happy with your images, save some time by selecting all the frames and pictures together. An easy shortcut here, hit Ctrl+A and everything on your canvas will light up. With everything selected, find the Group button at the top, click it. Grouping is important because it keeps all your pieces locked in position. That way, even if you move or resize your images, they all stay perfectly aligned, acting as one big strip, just like a real carousel ride. Let's fit this group to the screen for maximum impact. Click and drag from a corner, expanding until it covers or nearly covers the entire page. Don't stress if it takes a moment to get it just right. This step makes sure your animation has that full immersive effect when it loops. Now to make the magic happen, go down to the bottom where your slide page is and duplicate it 5 times so you have 6 identical slides in a row. This creates the illusion of movement when we add animation. On each successive slide, replace one picture with a different flower. This way, as viewers swipe or the animation plays, each frame appears to shift over, mimicking that classic carousel effect. Here comes the finishing touch, the animation. Between each slide, you'll see a little plus sign. Click it, choose Add Transition, and select Match and Move. This tells Canva to smoothly animate the shifting of images from one slide to the next, so the images look like they're sliding in perfect sync. To save time, apply this transition to all pages. Once you're done, hit the play button up top to preview your beautiful new carousel animation. Pretty cool, right? And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've created a dynamic, eye-catching carousel effect perfect for portfolios, social media, or any digital presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own designs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.